Hey everyone, welcome to Sheba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of Paneer Masala. It is a typical Indian gravy that goes extremely well with roti, chapati, naan or kulcha. If you follow this recipe, you would get the exact taste as some of the restaurant-style paneer gravies. Let's check out how to make this yummy Paneer Masala. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To begin with, I have taken a block of fresh paneer which I'm gonna cut into small cubes. I'm using store-bought paneer. Once you have cut the paneer into cubes, transfer them into a bowl. Next, we need to marinate the paneer with some masala. Add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, some garam masala, salt as per your taste, and some oil. Gently mix them together. You can also toss it so that the paneer gets evenly coated with the masala. Now set this aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare a gravy. Take a wide pan and pour some cooking oil into it. You can add in some ghee as well, which gives the gravy a nice flavor. Once this turns hot, add in some jeera or cumin, couple of bay leaves, green cardamom, cinnamon, and some cloves. Saute this for a minute until you get a nice aroma. Now let's add chopped onion to this. If you want, you can also grind this into a paste and add it. But I prefer using finely chopped onion. We need to saute this on a medium flame. Add in some salt, which would aid in cooking the onions. I will also add some crushed ginger garlic to this. Now saute this until the raw smell is gone and the onion becomes slightly brown. This would take few minutes. Now let's add in the spices. First goes in some turmeric powder, followed by red chilli powder, some coriander powder, and some garam masala. Now saute this well until the raw smell is gone. The flame has to be on medium and you continue frying this. Next, I'm going to add some tomato puree. Now cook this really well until the raw taste of the tomatoes are gone. The taste of the gravy really depends on how well you fry these ingredients. Now let's cover this with a lid and cook it for a couple of more minutes. Remove the lid and give it a good mix again. Next, I'm going to add in some cashewnut paste, which makes the gravy thick and also gives it a very nice flavor. In order to make the cashewnut paste, you need to soak 5 to 6 cashewnats in water for around 30 minutes and then grind them finely in a mixer jar. I will also add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and cook them as well. Now add in some water and cook the mixture really well for a few minutes. Once the gravy starts boiling and thickens, you can turn off the flame. Next step is to fry the marinated paneer. For this, add some cooking oil in a pan. Once the oil turns slightly hot, add in the marinated paneer. We are just gonna fry them lightly and not too much, else the paneer pieces will turn hard and rubbery. So this should take just 3 or 4 minutes and your paneer would be done. Now let's add the fried paneer pieces into the gravy that we prepared. Mix the paneer pieces well with the gravy. The last step is to add some kasuri methi. Mix this well and cook this for a couple of more minutes, and then your paneer masala will be ready to be served. Transfer this into a serving bowl. And you can garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. This is an excellent paneer gravy that goes extremely well with roti, chapati, naan or even kulcha. So do try this restaurant style paneer masala and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger.